Today I will quickly show how your analyst team can use Statista's MCP server to put our verified data directly into your AI environment. Let's say your managing director just asked how a slowing in mobile gaming growth rates impacts your 2025 price targets. What you could do is go to Claude and type the following. What are the projected growth rates and market size for mobile gaming through 2028, including revenue trends by monetization type? In seconds, you see the market reaching 163.8 billion by 2028, growth decelerating from 6.4% to 4.7%, and that 41% of executives expect mobile in-app purchases to grow. This works because of our new context layer, which we apply to all Statista metrics. Now, I am using Claude for this demo, but this works the same way in Langdog, Perplexity, or any MCP-compatible chatbot. No matter which one you use, this new layer helps the chatbot understand exactly where to pull Statista data from. And then from here on, you can download and drop the chart directly into your research node, showing clients why you're adjusting revenue multiples for mobile exposed names. Now you can spend less time hunting for market data and more time modeling how these trends impact your coverage unit versus earnings. Statista Connect, trusted data meets AI efficiency, right where equity research happens.